Friends, if you ever come across situation like this where your display has turned into portrait mode, my daughter has done this. So it's a very easy fix. All you need to do is go to any part of the screen, click and come to this display setting. You see here, come to this display setting, and this page will open. On this display page, you see in all this section display, and once you come and click on display, here it shows portrait. You just need to come and change this to landscape. Keep changes, and now once you close this, you have your display back the way it was. It's simple. I hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.